In this video today, I will show you 4 new apps that pay you daily within 24 hours. One thing about these platforms is that you don't have to invest any amount of money on them. You just have to give in your dedication, your time, and your effort, and you are sure of making money on this platform. There is no limit of how much you can make on this platform, and their payment method is favorable to all. You can withdraw your money through Bitcoin, you can withdraw through direct bank transfer, or you can also withdraw your money through PayPal. So the first platform on the list is known as Paidwork. So Paidwork is a platform that lets you do work on your phone, computer, tablet, and get paid wherever you are without investment. This platform is available on the App Store and also available on the Google Play Store. Checking their Trustpilot review, they have a 4.4 out of 5 base star rating with a 36,639 reviews. Before we continue, my name is 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐿𝐴. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And just like I said, I'm going to show you 4 new apps that pay you daily within 24 hours. So the first, like I said on the list, is known as Paidwork. Go to your browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera Mini, and dial in this keyword known as Paidwork with a URL of paidwork.com. Click on the first link and you'll be taken to this user interface where you'll be able to see the way this platform is. To sign up on this platform is basically very easy. You can click on these 3 slashes as you can see here. You can click on these 3 slashes and you scroll down and you'll be able to see your registration. And if you're already signed up on this platform, you can see you are signed in. For us that are new users, you can just click on registration and you'll be able to sign up on this platform. You can also click on how it works for you to really understand how this platform works. So to show you more features about this platform, this is a platform that lets you turn your time into profit. It says the flexible solution. Paidwork is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet wherever you are. You get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform. You can control everything. It says you can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. By completing simple tasks in just a month, you can earn up to $700 without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is no limit to your earnings. You can decide to how much you can earn. It says, how can Paidwork help you? It says this platform can help you increase your earnings wherever you are, on the bus, at work, at school, at the hairdressers, or even in the bathroom. You can always earn money on this platform that is known as Paidwork. You can click on start now for you to start your registration process and for you to start making money on this platform. This platform believes that making money is easier than ever, and this has been affirmed by their customers that are using this platform. As you can see here, these are some of the reviews that were given on this platform. You can decide to check it out by clicking on this arrow here, and you get to see most of the reviews that has been given on this platform. By scrolling down to the bottom of this platform, you can also see their contact us, you can see their method of earning, you can also see their blog where you get to read more about this platform known as Paidwork. Now this platform, you can also make money through referral programs where you refer your friends on this platform and you'll be able to make money. So let's head on now to the second platform on the list. The second platform on the list is known as Pollpay with a URL of pollpay.app. You see, this is a platform that gets you rewarded for taking surveys, submitting receipts, and playing games. You can join this platform for free and you'll be able to earn 500 coin bonus. You just have to click on the small dots, this small box that is here, where you'll be able to agree to the terms and use of this platform, to receive marketing messages, and to accept their privacy policy. To sign up on this platform, you can use your Google account, or you can continue with your Apple account, or you can also use your email for you to sign up on this platform. How does this platform works? You can just click on this arrow down here and you see a drop down menu where you can see how this platform works. This platform works when brands comes to this platform, they'll pay them, they recruit members like you, you do online activities, and you'll be able to earn real cash on this platform. So how will you be able to earn free cash on this platform. It says by participating in online surveys, you can make money from 550 to 500 coins, and it takes 3 to 25 minutes to complete. There are some online surveys that pay 1,000 coins, 2,000 coins, or even more if you match the demographic profile they are looking for. Now, taking surveys on this platform is fun and it's a popular way to earn. You can also get rewarded for playing games on this platform where you reach coins by reaching specific levels. There are also grocery cash rewards where you earn cash for your shopping. That is, you go for your favorite shopping and you will get paid. Just by purchasing your favorite supermarket product, you will get access to great cashback, and you earn money for scanning your receipt or trying additional added features. So this platform have a lot of partners. They are partners to Netflix, Target.com, PCH.com, Walmart, 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐿. Pollpay is a platform that makes easy and simple to earn money online. You can also decide to scroll down to the bottom of this platform, where just by signing up on this platform you'll be able to earn 500 coins sign up bonus. You can also scroll down to the bottom of this platform where you got to see about us, and you'll be able to know more about this platform. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can get update when I drop videos like this, and so that you can also motivate me to continue dropping videos. And now let's head on to the third platform on the list. The third platform on the list is known as surveylama, with a URL of surveylama.com. This is a platform that lets you earn up to 3,500 naira per survey from home. You can take paid online surveys on this platform, and you can earn up to 15,000 naira or 150,000 naira per month on this platform. To register on this platform, you just have to give in your email, your password, you confirm your email. Registration is completely free on this platform. It says take surveys, earn points, and receive reward. How? For each completed surveys, you will receive points that you can convert to cash. You can answer 3 surveys daily, and you can also get a bonus, without forgetting surprises every month, challenges, contests, and much more that is available on this platform. For you to register on this platform, you just have to tell them about yourself, which just by telling them about yourself will enable them know the kind of surveys they will give to you. You can also participate in surveys on these platforms, and you will earn rewards for every surveys. You can cash out your money through Amazon gift card and more, depending on your country. There will also be contests, challenges, and a whole bunch of surprises to win even you more gifts. So as you can see here, these are some of their engagement that they have gotten on this platform. You can just scroll down to this platform and you'll be able to register for free. And at the bottom of this site where you see the about us, you can click to know about how this platform works, and you can also click on their help if you're having any issues accessing this platform known as surveylama. Check out these platforms. Drop in your comments in the comment section to know where you're having difficulties, and if you want me to make individual videos of this platform to show you how you can sign up on this platform and how you can start making money on this platform. So let's check out the last platform on the list, that is the number 4. The last platform on the list is known as Toloka, with a URL of toloka.ai. So this is a platform that gets you paid for doing short tasks online. It says earn money wherever and whenever you want. All you need is a device connected to the internet. When you are taken to this interface of this platform, all what you just have to do is to click on start earning money. And to start earning money on this platform just take you a short period of time. It says you take a few minutes to sign up. It is totally free. You complete a quick training set to learn how to do a particular type of task. You pick the task you want to do on your computer or in your mobile app. Carefully read the instructions and complete the assignment. Withdraw your earnings from the Toloka account with one of our fast and secure method. You can tell your friends about Toloka, and you'll also be able to earn a referral bonus. This platform is only available on the Google Play Store, where you can be able to get access to their app. So you can see a lot of testimonials. This is Godwin from Nigeria. It says Toloka is easy to use and intuitive. I spend about 30 minutes to 1 hour on tasks at home whenever I'm duty, and I've been able to earn. So this is Erica, also from Peru, and where we can also get to see more about their testimonials. So for easy withdrawals on this platform, if you want to know whether your preferred method of cash out is available on this platform, just click on visit our help page. Click here and you'll be taken to their help page, where you will be able to know whether your own method of withdrawal is available on this platform. To make money on this platform is basically very easy. This is an AI powered platform where you just have to perform some short tasks online and you'll be able to earn money. So these are the 4 new apps that helps you make money daily within 24 hours. The first one is known as Paidwork, the second is known as Pollpay, the third is known as surveylama, and the fourth is known as Toloka. Check them out. Drop in your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.